Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going.
Alright, y'all. So here's our ingredients for our mac and cheese. We got shells. I always use shells because I like for the macaroni to get filled with cheese in the inside. You can use elbows if you like to. I got some butter. 2 little Velveeta boxes. I don't ever use the whole big box, but if you're making enough for a lot of people, you can use the big box. And some white Muenster cheese and some cheddar cheese. Some milk, a little bit of nutmeg, and you know, your grater. Let's get to it. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of oil to the water. Okay, and I'm just gonna season the water lightly with salt. And just sit, wait, and let it boil. Okay, so there's our water boiling. We're gonna add our shells. Make sure they're in there. Now let it cook. Alright, so our pasta is boiling. Let's stir. Make sure these bad boys are good. I'm about to taste one, see if they're tender enough. Perfect. Turn your heat off. I'm gonna drain these into a bowl. Okay, so we got our mac and cheese. We got our macaroni for our mac and cheese. This is our shells. It's in our bowl. We are going to start. We're gonna add some butter first. I have an open one. Let's start with this one. We're gonna add some butter. I don't really measure it. For some reason, I go by my eye, how it is, how the consistency is, and it's because, well, I don't always make the same amount of macaroni and cheese all the time. So I'm going to start off with about 3 tablespoons, and I'm just going to mix it and make sure it's melted, and if it looks like everything is coated, and then I will stop.
First time I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close, and my heart fills up with butterflies, and then you leave me speechless. My world turned up.
So I want to add about 1/4 cup of milk.
Just say that you won't go and break my heart, break my heart, don't break it now. Remember it's the
Or maybe 1/2 cup. I'm gonna put 1/4 cup first. Because like I said, I always do different amounts, so. And then I'm gonna put some Cajun seasoning in my mac and cheese. About 1 tablespoon. But this is pretty much all the seasoning I'm using. I'm not going to use a lot of seasoning. It's just one spice. So this will cover up the majority of the macaroni. So it's the Cajun seasoning. And let's stir it. Make sure that butter and seasoning is mixed. Yeah, make sure you get all the macaroni that's filled with seasoning in the inside, because you get a one spoonful of that macaroni and that seasoning is gonna be really powerful in your mouth. All right, so that's all well mixed. We're gonna add some cheese. Okay, so now we're gonna take our Velveeta cheese and we're just gonna cut it into our macaroni as we go until we get to the cheesiest consistency you like. Start by one slice. I cut it sometimes in half just to make it easier to melt.
Just say that you won't go and break my heart, break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got, the one I've got. Don't break my heart, don't break my heart, don't break my heart, don't break my heart. Just say that you won't go and break my heart, break my heart, don't break my heart. Remember,
if you think you may need more milk, put about half a cup. Add half a cup of milk and heat it up first before you put it in, because you don't want your macaroni to get cold. Because you seem to forget how much you are hurting me. Do what's right. Because as we add the cheese, it is gonna get thick, and you want this. I want it a little bit like creamy, cheesy consistency. You see how it's like. Okay, so I put the milk in. I'm sorry, I forgot to show y'all. But so the cheese is melted, and it's like I'll add another half a cup of milk just to get a little bit more. Remember, we're gonna add the whole 8-ounce block of Muenster cheese and 8-ounce block of cheddar cheese. So it's gonna be extra cheesy. Don't heat up your milk for a minute, because mine's overflowed. Heat it up about 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, so here's my hot milk, and we're gonna add it into here. It's gonna make everything come together. It's gonna be a little bit like liquidy at first, but like I said, we're gonna add this extra cheese and it's gonna come out perfect. Well, this is perfect to my consistency, to my liking. Alright. Now I'm gonna start adding the shredded cheddar cheese. You wanna save some for the topping when you put it into the oven, before you put it into the oven. So you're on a lifetime sentence. So now you never feel my presence. So you thought I would let this slip. Thought you knew me so much better. 'Cause I don't. So you thought I would. Get all that cheddar cheese in there. It's not gonna melt all the way through. When it gets in the oven, yeah, everything will melt and come together. Okay, so now we got all of our cheddar cheese. We're going to add some of our Muenster. Again, we're going to leave some for the ending, right before we put it in the oven to top it off.
Thought you do it so much better.
Okay, let's stir it. Just mix everything in. Make sure it's combined. It's not going to melt, but just make sure it's combined. Cheddar cheese and the macaroni. I use Muenster cheese. Some people use Monterey Jack and cheddar. Some people just use cheddar. Some people use white cheddar. It's all up to you. It's whatever you like. Alright, so this looks about done. We're going to put it in our pan. Right here. Nothing too fancy. Alright, let's pour it in. This is actually a lot of mac and cheese. So make sure everything is combined and well cooked. Let's top it off with our Muenster. So matter of fact, I'm gonna mix our Muenster and our cheddar together. And we're gonna add that to our top. Alright. There we go. Now to the oven it goes for about 45 minutes.